Hi, this is Brian Wiklendt with Garfinkel Schwartz. I'm here in my Maitland, Florida office, which is a suburb of Orlando. I just got back from a bunch of travels and I grew my goatee out during the trips, and now it's officially pure gray. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm not very happy about that. It kind of stinks getting old. I also have these reading glasses for the first time. 6 months ago, I had to get these to be able to see. So, I understand my middle-aged comrades out there and what they're going through. I'm here today to talk to you about a very important issue under the Defense Base Act. If you're a contractor that's going overseas, and there are a lot of people going overseas now, especially to different areas like Syria and South China, places that people hadn't really been to very much before, other than the usual Iraq and Afghanistan. There's one thing that's really, really important, and probably the best thing under the Defense Base Act, which is the law that you're under if you get injured while you're overseas under a government contract, is that you can choose your own physician and your own medical treatment. There are a lot of laws out there, federal laws and state laws, that you're not allowed to do that. The insurance company chooses them, or the government chooses them for you. So to take advantage of that, before you get in harm's way and before you actually go there, or if you're there now and haven't been injured, my advice is to call a Defense Base Act attorney. It can be me, it could be anyone else. Just make sure you call someone so that you know what your rights are, that your employer may or may not ever tell you, that you have rights under the Defense Base Act, and that you have your right, your first choice medical provider. You can choose. What happens a lot of times is no one has any idea what I'm talking about. They get injured. The company or the insurance company, when they step in with an adjuster or a case manager, nurse case manager, send you where they want you to go. Obviously, it's going to be the cheapest place they can find. It could be in a country that you're not familiar with. So my advice to you is go on the website, the Department of Labor website. Check out the different forms that there are. There's an LS1 form that is your first choice of physician. My advice is for you and your family to find people in case something happens, whether that be an orthopedic surgeon if you get injured, your back or your neck, whether that be just a family doctor that can advise you as to where to go once you get back home. Just someone you have in mind that in case situations happen and you need to find someone, you're not relying on a nurse case manager or an insurance adjuster to make decisions regarding your medical care. You have the right to otherwise, and it's very, very wise that you don't just succumb to them and have them make choices that may or may not be good for you. So I just wanted to let everyone know that that's what the law is. Please understand and know what the law is. Look at the forms on the website before you go or before you get in harm's way. Again, you can call me anytime for free. We're here 24 hours a day. There are a lot of different time zones I deal with, so we will call you back at some point in time if the office is closed, but feel free to call anytime. Again, this is Brian Wiklendt with Garfinkel Schwartz signing off from Maitland, Florida. Thank you.